The Rubik's Cube has over 43 quintillion possible outcomes, and today I'm going to be teaching you the fastest method to solve the Rubik's Cube. The first step to solving a Rubik's Cube is by creating a daisy on the top. To start, you want to have the yellow center facing upwards. And what a daisy is on the Rubik's Cube is the yellow center and 4 white edge pieces surrounding it. So that would look like this. And that's the completed daisy. The second step is creating the white cross. To do this, you're going to take one of the edges, and because this has blue here, you're going to align it with its blue center and then move it down. This is the first part to solving a white cross. And you're going to do this for each of the sides, like this. And that has the white cross and the centers and the edges paired. Once you do this, you're gonna pair the corners like this. So to do that, we look for white pieces on the top, such as this. And this one consists of white, red, and blue. And because it has white, red, and blue, we move it in between the white, red, and blue centers. So blue, red, and white, blue, red, and white. And then we do these moves. R, U, R prime, which is counterclockwise, U prime. And we do that until the white is on the bottom. And then this part is solved. And we move on to any other white pieces on the top. So like this, orange, green, and white. Move it to the orange, green, and white centers. Then do it again. That's the second piece. And if you run into a case where there are no white pieces on the top, and they're on the sides, like this, you're going to still move it over to where it should be, like this, and then keep doing those same moves, so like this. And that is the whole first layer solved. Now, to solve the second layer of the Rubik's Cube, you're going to want to look for edge pieces on the top without yellow. So this one works. This one works, this doesn't work, and this doesn't work. So to start with this one, this piece wants to go here because it's in between the blue and red centers, and this has blue and red. So if it goes to the right, you move the top left, and then do this move, and then you put it back by doing this. And that puts that piece in place. You're going to do this for each of these corners, so like this. And once you're done with that, you should have the whole second face, the second layer solved. The next step is solving the whole yellow face. So if you have an L-like shape, you're going to move that to the top left corner like this. And this part is where the algorithms come in, so I would take time to memorize these. So once this is like this, the next step is to do this. And this creates a yellow cross, preparing it for the next step. So once you have this kind of blob, you're gonna put a yellow piece here, like this. And what we're doing now is solving the yellow face. So once you have that, you do this move. And you do that again. Put it in place, and you do the move. And now you should have a fish-like shape. So this is yellow, 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 and these two are yellow. So this is kind of like the head of the fish, this is the tail. You move that to the bottom left corner, and you do this new algorithm. So I'd memorize this one too. It goes like this. And that solves the yellow face. Some other cases you might have for the yellow face, if you don't have an L, are a line or just nothing at all. So if you have nothing at all, you just do the same algorithm. But if you have a line, you turn it so it's vertical, and you do the same algorithm. And that gives you the L shape. Put it in the top left corner, and then do it again. The next step to solving the Rubik's Cube is solving the top 4 corners, so this, this, and this. And to start, you're going to want to look for a threesome like this, or just 2 of the same color. And once you see that, you're going to match it with its center color and put it on the left. Once you've done that, you do this algorithm. And that solves all the corners. Also, if you don't have that, you just do the algorithm again, and that should switch out the corners in order for you to be able to do the algorithm. Now you should be left with 3 edge pieces that are incorrect. So once you have this, put the solved side away from you and do this algorithm. And since green is going over there to the green center, we turn the top face left and then turn it again left, and that should solve the cube. The other version of this algorithm is when they're going counterclockwise, so you do this and turn it right, then turn it right one more time. And congratulations, the Rubik's Cube is solved.